Okay, so this is the Superior Engineering Superflex sway bar kit that we've now designed to suit the GQ and GU Patrols. We're going to now fit this onto the GU Patrol now that we've put the Superflex arm on and show the different amounts of flex you can achieve. Now a little bit about this sway bar setup. As you can see, these are pretty big sway bars. They're a 24mm rear and a 27mm front. They come with heavy duty sway bar links, polyurethane bushes, and they've got the hardware. They relocate in a totally different spot than what the factory ones are. We supply all nuts and bolts and everything with it, so it's all going to be an easy setup. No modifications or anything like that. I'll show you a factory OE one. So this is one I've got here now. This is, you wouldn't think so, this is a standard Patrol rear one, so it's tiny compared to the Superior one. Now you'd sort of wonder, well, how's that going to flex more when it's twice the size? The difference is how long we've made the legs here. So they're sort of almost twice as long. What's happening on a Patrol, if you can imagine, when it's articulating, your sway bar is swinging up like this. Now you can only go so far, and then your link to the chassis isn't going to let the diff actually drop any further. That's why sway bar disconnects actually work so well, because it then allows the diff to go further. Now what we've done is made that link further there with a different bracket, so that's going to allow the arm is just going to go up only about half the angle of what a factory one would, so you're going to get more down travel. So we've got, this goes over the diff just like an OE one would, exactly the same. Now that's your standard front one, which is that way. So as you can see, ours is a lot bigger now. We couldn't go as long as we did on the front. We didn't really need to, because the rear being a 5-link, it's going to flex way more anyway. So as you can see there, we went as long as we could with where we had to fit the brackets onto the car. We've still got the drop down here to go around the big exhaust systems. If you're running like a 3-inch exhaust or something like that, these are still going to fit on there. So what we'll do, we'll fit one of these complete setups in the GU and we'll bring it back in here and we'll get some more measurements.